Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Ruth, and yeah. Today is actually a Tuesday, and I started this vlog on Sunday. Yeah, I think I just I woke up. I was going to church, preparing to go to church. I packed my bag because I was actually coming to Mahalape. So if you can't already tell, I'm in Mahalape right now. I came here for work, but I'm going to go back to Gaps tomorrow. I'm trying to hide my sweat. It's so hot. It is so hot in Mahalape, guys. I don't even know what to do with myself. So yeah, I am sweating. Please don't mind that. So I was preparing to go to church, and then I took my little weekend bag with, so that right after church I could get on a bus to Mahalape. So yeah, I'm done with what I came to do here. So tomorrow's a Wednesday. I will be heading back to Gabs so that I can attend to my clients in Gabs, and then I can go to home cell, because you know Wednesdays we go to home cell, Sundays we go to church. That's just me. That's, you know, my life. I'm having some leftovers from my aunt. Bay and I went to visit my aunt Mabane, so she cooked this really good chicken curry with namangu on the side. I don't know if you guys can tell. Namangu is, yeah, right there. This is a little piece of chicken, because it was too good and I couldn't finish my food. So I'm like, girl, get that tip away, because there's no I'm leaving this food. So yeah, I did that. So I just thought, you know what, let me just start this vlog right now before it gets messy. So you can imagine comes I'm back in Gives, and you guys are like, girl, what was the bag for? So yeah, the bag was me coming here for business, did business. Now I'm done, just trying to relax a little bit, breathe, and then come also back to Gives. So yeah, honestly, I don't have much planned for this vlog. I have been meaning to go out on like a solo breakfast date, because I honestly want to make that a thing. I really want to make that a thing. Me just going out, you know, sometimes just traveling on my own dates with myself, because in this year I want to celebrate ourselves and don't wait for people to do things for us. So yeah, I had to romanticize your life. So that's what I want to do. I also need to get a book. I need to get a devotions by Joyce Meyer. I saw that somebody posted it on Instagram. I took a screenshot. I've been meaning to go there, but I didn't get the time. I didn't find the time to go check it out. So hopefully when I check it, I'm gonna check it, go exclusive books. So hopefully when I do check, it's there, and then I can buy it for the girl, okay? Because this year I honestly want to take my devotions seriously. I really want to take my devotions very seriously. So yeah, let's see where this vlog takes us. So it turns out I completely forgot about a meeting at Riley's school today. So instead of home cell, that's where I'm going, but I'm obviously not gonna vlog for safety reasons. Yeah, I actually here. So bye guys. I'm trying to put on these shoes. I hope you guys can see. Ooh, I haven't vlogged in a minute, but I literally just washed my hair. I took the quickest bath on earth. My mom and I are gonna go to G West right now. We need to get braid, because the both of us are doing our hair. So the lady's gonna come here. Katen, get these. Katen. Emma. So yeah, we are rushing out. It's like 20:09. 20:09. But honestly, it won't take long. We just gotta get in one shop. I don't know why this dress is so loose. It's supposed to be like this, but you see. And honestly, I just wanted to wear something breathable, and this is it. I long took this dress from Adrizi. It's mine now. So yeah, I'm just gonna look for braid. I washed my hair at least. I'm just gonna play it cornrows with a little bit of extension, because I don't want a hairstyle that's gonna last long. I'm gonna have to undo my hair in like 3 weeks or so. So yeah, I thought cornrow is the best bet. So yeah, let's go. Might get a few top-ups for Riley's lunchbox for school, and then yeah, let me not waste any time. I haven't even had anything to eat. I just hope she's going to be I hope she's going to be a little bit late. So yeah, sweater guys. You know what Fifi said? Fifi's a friend of mine from church, so she was watching my last vlog. I literally went to Besco Hyper to buy you this fan. You know this hand fan here, hand fan here, the influencer. And how is it that I don't have a fan? I'm like, Fifi, I don't like the fan. They literally congest my nose. She's like, you know what? I'm gonna buy it anyway. When you deserve that fan. So I was just about to do that and I thought of her. So yeah, let's go. I'm not even gonna wear earrings. Okay, no, I should. Okay, let's go.
Say cheese.
So I've just finished plaiting my hair. Put it in water. I'm curling the ends. So I'm just waiting for it to dry a bit. She just started doing my mom's hair. So when she's done, I'm just gonna go in and do like these two. So yeah, I look so cute. So yeah, I'll show you guys the actual outfit, actual hairstyle once I'm done. But I'm really happy. Samara did such a great job. I feel so pretty. Oh, it's so hot. So my mom was cooking magunya. So I'm just gonna finish up what she's doing, and then I'm just gonna have magunya with acha. We don't have a drink at home, so I'm just gonna have one of Riley's drinks that she takes to school. I know she's gonna kill me. Acha, just thought, let me update this vlog. I'm having such a slow day. My mom and I So my mom and I came back rushing from the shops because we went to buy bread. Like I said, we went to get fiber for our hair. She's doing pretty much the same hairstyle. We did a pafele and cornrow as well with extensions. So yeah, so we went there, and then I wanted to look for black pants because the black pants I usually wear to school, to church. The black pants I usually wear to church on Sunday. It's honestly a mess, so I need to get a new pair. So I wanted to do that, but when I called Sabaha, the lady who was doing our hair, she said she's around our area. I'm like, no, we need to rush. So we just left everything and came. So once my mom is done with her hair, we're gonna go back to the shops. So yeah, let me finish. My mom got a new stove, by the way. That's why there's that stove over there. It needs to go. Yeah, so we're gonna go back to the shops because I'm looking for black pants, and then we'll see what else to get. I also need to get fruits for Riley for her lunchbox to school, as well as yogurts because they're done, and then probably get like beef patties for her burgers. I'm honestly gonna ask her first what she wants to pack in this coming week because this girl decides. And then yeah, Tepang asked that I film what I pack for her in like a week or something. So I think I'm probably gonna do that for Monday and Tuesday because this vlog is gonna go up on Wednesday. So I think in the next vlog I'll do Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So yeah, I'm so happy with my hair. And this pimple is trying to mess with me, child. Hey guys, today is a Monday. I am in the bathroom in case there's like a call. So yeah, I made Riley's breakfast. I am going to have a burger myself. But before that, I just want to apply it's a paste that I saw on TikTok. Apparently it helps brighten your underarms. So I thought, you know what, let me just give it a try. So I got the ingredients. I'm gonna write them on the screen over here, or I'll link the video on in my description box in case you guys wanna try it. I don't know. Honestly, I read the comments and I think 2 people said they tried it and it works. So yeah, it's just vinegar, lemon juice, and baking soda. I just did a little bit in here. I don't even know if I got it right, if the consistency is okay, but I'm just gonna try. So yeah, after this, like I said, my underarms are not that bad. I want them to be lighter. I tried to shave, but I don't think Ruth would. I left my wax thingies that I got in my place, but honestly, this hair needed to go, so it is what it is, child. We actually use this thing in the bathroom, so please don't come for me. So yeah, I just want to do this because I'm supposed to leave it on for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna do this now, then I'll take a bath. And then after that, I'm gonna make myself a breakfast burger. A little bit different from Riley's. Honestly, I'm just gonna add the egg. Hers didn't have an egg, and I didn't add a tomato for her, just so it doesn't become soggy. So yeah, I think that's just that. Then later on in the day, I am going to cook. I'm gonna make I think pap. I'm gonna make pap with chakalaka and just pan fry the T-bone. So I think that's that. If I change my mind, I'll tell you guys. But I get also college, so I'm gonna have to wait for my cousin to come back. So yeah, bye. You guys remember the face mask that I got from Bisco High Park in December? Was it in December? I think so. I'm only getting the chance to use it now. So yeah. It's a lot. Don't judge me for wearing the same thing I was wearing. Ooh-wee. How on earth do we do this? Oh, there we go. I don't know if I'm supposed to remove this thing more. Should I remove it? What's my thing? Guys, this thing better not get in my eyes. Hela. Let me try and move this side thing on top. Guys, what's that I have? Ah, there you go. Ah. Yeah. It's all over my mouth. Hey. Guys, I'm in such a mess. Like there's a lot and it's spilling. I'm not sitting in the best position for this, to be honest. Yeah. Let's do that. I'm gonna have such a slow day. I don't honestly have plans for today. I don't have plans for the day. So I'm just gonna chill with my mask for a bit. I'm gonna remove it. So later on, I'm gonna have to wait for my cousin to come. I'm gonna wait for my cousin to come so that I'm the yeah, I keep especially for like a large number of people. I don't think it's the best pap, but my cousin is the best. So I hope that she will come a little bit early to help me with that. But for now, I think I'm just gonna chill like this, watch Netflix on my phone. So unfortunately, I won't be able to vlog that. So catch you later. I think I'm probably gonna vlog later on when we're cooking, because honestly I don't have plans for the day. I'm being really honest. I don't have plans for the day. So yeah. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is mine. Hey guys. I'm honestly just here to close off this vlog because I want to start editing it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you've come this far, I really appreciate it. And please like this vlog if you did enjoy it. Leave me a comment in the comment section, just anything you want to say. And yeah, please do check if you've subscribed. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. yeah, man, January has really been a slow month for me. Like I've been chilled a lot more than I'm used to. Considering the fact that December was busy and hectic. January is way too quiet. Was way too quiet because it is the last day of Jan. I hope February is gonna be busier for me, business wise. But I don't like for idle because I feel like I'm just wasting time just sitting. But I'm thankful for this time. I got to reflect a lot. Started journaling, I've got time to worship, just to be in my space, to really be in my space. But I really hope Feb will be a little bit different. I will continue to journal and probably bring you guys along into one of the days just so you see it. But yeah, man. Thank you. And bye. I'll see you next week because we're back like that. So yeah, this is my hairstyle. I know I never really showed you guys the back. Let me try to turn. That's how the back looks. I hope you guys can see. This is the front. I just asked her to extend with the 1 million braid and I curled it. I don't think this was such a good idea. The curling like this, Rasaloha, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. Honestly, for now it looks nice, but I'm imagining how it's gonna look after like a week or two. But it's okay, I'm enjoying it. I'll probably curl it. My cousin will assist me curling it. So yeah, hi. I did a face mask ban. I'm waiting to see how my face reacts to it. Probably give it like 3 days or so, because like I said, the face mask was like 10 bucks. So if my face loves it, I'm going to get more. So yeah, bye guys.